Hello students and welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Shefali Nagpal, Associate Professor at Human Resource Development Center, Bhagat Phool Singh Mahila Vishwavidyalaya, Sonipat. We are studying the paper Development of the Management Thoughts, Principles and Types under Human Resource Management. Let us study today Management Information System. After completing this module, you would be able to understand Management Information System, know the process of it and understand the applications of the MIS. Now let us begin with the introduction to the concept. Management Information System is the use of information technology, people, business process to record, store and process data, to produce the information that the decision maker can use to make day-to-day decisions. MIS is not new. Only the computerization is new. Before the computers, the MIS technique existed to supply managers with the information that would permit them to plan and control the business operations. The computers has added one or more dimensions such as speed, accuracy, increased volume of data that permits the consideration of more alternatives in the decision-making process. MIS is an integrated set of components and entities that interact to achieve a particular function, objectives or goal. Therefore, it is a computer-based system that provides information for decision making in planning, organizing and controlling the operations of the subsystems of the firm and provide a synergistic organization in the process. Origins and evolution. The MIS represent the electronic automation of the several different kinds of counting, telling, record keeping and accounting techniques, of which by far the oldest of course was the ledger, on which the business owner keep the track of his or her business. Automation emerged in 1980s in the form of tabulating cards which could be sorted and counting. These were the punch card, still remembered by many. They captured element of information keyed in on the punch card machine. The cards were then processed by the other machine, some of which could print out results of tallies. Each card was equivalent of what today would be called as database record, with different areas on the card treated as the field. The world famous IBM has started it in 1911. It was then called Computing Tabulating Recording Company. Therefore, IBM was CTR punch cards were used to keep time records and to record weights at scale. The US Census used such cards to record and manipulate its data as well. When the first computer emerged after the World War II, the punch card systems were used both as their front end, that is feeding the data and programs, and as their output, that is computer cut cards and other machines printed from these. The card system did not entirely disappear until 1970s. They were ultimately replaced by the magnetic storage media. Those were called as tapes and discs. Computers use such storage media speeded up the telling. Computer introduced calculating functions also. So, MIS developed as a most crucial accounting functions that became computerized now. The waves of innovation spread the fundamental virtues to the coherent information systems across all corporate functions and to all sizes of business in 1970s, 80s and 90s. Within companies, major functional areas developed their own MIS capabilities. Often these were not yet connected. Engineering, manufacturing, inventory systems developed side by side, sometimes running on the specialized hardware. Personal computers called micros or PCs appeared in the 70s and spread widely in the 80s. Some of these were used as freestanding seeds of MIS system, which was serving sales, marketing, personal systems with summarized data from them transferred to the mainframe. In the 1980s, network PCs appeared and developed into the powerful system in their right, in the 1990s and in many companies displacing mid-size and small computers. Equipped with powerful database engines such as networks were in turn organized for MIS purposes. Simultaneously, in 1990s, the World Wide Web came of age, morphed into the internet with the visual interface connecting all sort of systems to one another. Concept: information isn't worth much if it does not serve a purpose. MIS is to learn how businesses use the information to improve the company's operation. It helps us to know how to manage the various information systems so that they best serve the need of the manager, staff, and customers. It tells how to create the systems for finding and storing data and computer databases, network, computer security, and many more. The component of an information system include a hardware which is used for input-output process and storage of data, software used to process data and also to instruct the handware component, databases, which is the location in the system where all the organization data will be automated, and procedures, which is a set of documents that explains the structure of that MIS. There are various driving forces of MIS. For example, technological revolution in all sectors make new managers need to have access to large amount of particular information for the complex tasks and decisions. The lifespan of most products has continued getting shorter and shorter, and therefore, the challenge to the manager is to design the product that will take the longer shelf life, and in order to do so, the manager must be able to keep abreast of the factors that influence the organization product and services. Thus, MIS comes in handy in supporting the process. There is a huge amount of information available to today's manager, and this had therefore meant that the managers are increasingly relying on MIS to access the exploding information. It helps the manager to access relevant, accurate, up-to-date information, which is more sure way of making accurate decisions. It also helps in automation and incorporation of the research and management science techniques into the overall MIS, for example, probability theory. The management information services are capable of taking advantage of computational ability of the company, like processing, storage capacity, amongst other. Based on this relevancy, management information system should be installed and upgraded in the various organizations, since today's manager need them to access information for managerial decision making and also management functions. MIS, which is the acronym for Management Information System, in nutshell, it is a collection of system, hardware, procedure, and people that all work together to process, store, and produce information that is useful to organization. The need for MIS. MIS brings into play what we know as Hawthorne effect to ensure that administrative machinery does not get away with negligence of duty by creating a platform for monitoring of handling of those jobs and responsibilities. And more than that, it provides a space to build a robust database on issuing concerning law and order and security that serves as institutional memory for better planning to cope with the challenges on these fronts. The second theory is known as management process, is the widest spread approach to the management. Under this, management is defined regarding what managers do. The following are some of the justifications for having an MIS system. The decision maker need information to make effective decision. Management information system makes this possible. MIS system facilitate communication within and outside the organization. Employees within the organization can easily access the required information for the day-to-day operations. Facilitates such as short messages services, emails make it possible to communicate with the customers and suppliers from within the MIS system that an organization is using. Record keeping. MIS record all business transactions of an organization and provide a reference point for the transactions. Components of the MIS. It means the applications of the scientific method and quantitative analysis techniques, that is operation research techniques, to management problem. The use of management science method emphasizes the use of systematic approach to problem solving and application of the scientific method to the investigation. It utilizes mathematical and statistical procedure for analyzing problems. Finally, it aims at achieving optimal decision. Management techniques were incorporated in the MIS design to make quantitative and analytical information available to the users of MIS. The information system so designed promoted quantitative information and procedures to facilitate model building for plan and activities and to stimulate the real situations even before they occur. The major component of a typical management systems are people who uses the information system, data that the information system records, business procedures that put in place on how to record, store and analyze data, hardware, these include servers, workstation, networking equipment, printers, etc. Software, these are the program used to handle the data. These include programs such as spreadsheets, program, database, softwares, etc. Type of information system. The type of information system that a user uses depends upon the level of the organization. The following diagram shows the three major levels of users in an organization and the type of the information system they use. One is transaction processing system. This type of information system is used to record the day-to-day transaction of the business. An example of the TPS is a point of sale system. A point of sale system is used to record the daily sales. Management information system. These are used to guide the tactic managers to make semi-structured decision. The output from the transaction process system is used as an input to MIS system. Decision support system. The decision support systems are used by the top level managers to make semi-structured decision. The output from the management information system is used as an input to the decision support system. The DSS system also get data input from the external source such as the current market forces, consumptions, etc. Manual information system versus computerized information system, that is MIS. Data is the bloodstream of any business entity. Everyone in an organization needs information to take decisions. An information system is an organized way of recording, storing data and retrieving information. In this section, we will look at the manual information system versus computerized information system, that is MIS. Manual information system. The manual information system does not use any computerized devices. The recording, storing and retrieving of data is done manually by the people who are responsible for the information system. The following are the major components of the manual information system. One is people. They are the recipients of the information system. Second, business procedures. These are the measures put in place that define the rules for processing data, storing it, analyzing it and producing the information. Third is data. They are the recorded day-to-day transactions. Filing system. This is an organized way of storing the information. Fifth is the reports. The reports are generated after manually analyzing the data from the filing system and compiling it. Now let us discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the computerized information system, that is MIS. Let us discuss some of the advantages. First is fast data processing and information retrieval. It is one of the biggest advantage of the computerized information system. It processes the data and retrieves the information at the faster rate. This leads to the improved client or customer service. Second is improved data accuracy. It is easy to implement data validation and verification checks in the computerized system as compared to the manual system. Third is improved security. In addition to the restricting access to the database servers, the computerized information system can implement other security controls such as user authentication, biometric authentication system, access right control and many more. Fourth is reduced data duplication. The database systems are designed in such a way that minimize duplication of data takes place. This means updating data in one department automatically makes it available to the other department. Then next is improved backup system. With modern day technology, backups can be stored in a cloud, which makes it easy to recover the data if something happens to the hardware or software used to store the information and data. Then next is easy access to information. Most business executives need to travel and still be able to make a decision based on the information. The web and the mobile technologies make accessing data from anywhere possible. The disadvantages: it is expensive to set up and configure. The organization has to buy hardware and required software to run the information system. In addition to that, business procedures will need to be revised and the staff will need to be trained on how to use the computerized information system. Heavy reliance on technology. If something happens to the hardware or software that make it stop functioning, then information cannot be accessed by the required hardware or software has been replaced. Risk of fraud. If proper control and checks are not in the place, an intruder can post unauthorized transactions such as an invoice for the goods that were never delivered, etc. Role of MIS. The role of MIS in any organization can be compared to the role of heart in the body. The information is the blood and MIS is the heart. In the body, the heart plays the role of supplying pure blood to all the elements of the body, including the brain. The heart works faster and supplies more blood when needed. It regulates and controls the incoming impure blood, process it and send it to the destination in quantity needed. It fulfills the need of the blood supply to the human body in the normal course and also in crisis. Similarly, MIS play the same role in the organization. The system ensures that appropriate data is collected from the various sources, processed and sent further to all the needy destinations. The system is expected to fulfill the information needs of an organization, individual, group of individual and the management functionaries, the managers and the top management. Here are some of the important roles of the MIS. It helps in the strategic planning, management control, operational control, transaction processing. It helps in the clerical persons in transaction processing and answers the queries on the data about the transaction, the status of the particular record and reference on a variety of documents. The MIS helps in the middle management in the short-term planning, target setting and controlling the business functions. It is supported by the use of the management tools of planning and control. MIS also play the role of information generation, communication, problem identification and helps in the process of decision making. The MIS therefore plays a vital role in the management, administration and operation of an organization. The MIS helps the top level management in goal setting, strategic planning and evolving the business plan and their implementation. The role of the MIS manager is to focus on the organization information and technology system. The MIS manager typically analyzes the business problem and then design and maintains computer application to solve the organizational problem. MIS broadly refers to the computer-based system that provide managers with a tool to organize, evaluate and efficiently manage the department within an organization. To provide past, present and prediction information, the management information system can include software that help in decision making, data resources such as database, hardware resources of the system, decision support system, people management and project management application and any electronic process that enable the department to run efficiently. Impact of the management information system. MIS play a significant role in the organization. It creates an impact on the organization functions, performance and productivity. The impact of MIS on the function in its management with a good MIS support the management of the marketing, finance, production and personnel and became more efficient. The tracking and monitoring of the functional targets become easy. The functional managers are informed about the progress, achievements and shortfalls in the activity and the targets. The manager is kept alert by providing certain information indicating and probable trends in the various aspects of business. This helps in forecasting and long-term prospective planning. The manager's attention is brought to a situation which is expected in nature, including him to take action and decisions in the matter. Disciplined information reporting system creates structure, database and a knowledge base for all the people in the organization. The information is available in such a form that it can be used straight away by blending and analyzing, saving the manager's valuable time. The MIS create another impact in the organization which relates to understanding of the business itself. It begins with the definition of the data, entry and its attribute. It uses a dictionary of data, entity and attributes respectively designed for the information generation in the organization. Since all the information systems use the dictionary, there is a common understanding of the term and terminology in the organization, bringing clarity in the communication and similar understanding of the event in the organization. The MIS calls for the systematization of the business operations for an effective system design. This leads to streaming of the operations, which complicates the system design. It improves the administration of the business by bringing a discipline in its operation, as everybody is required to follow and use systems and procedure. This process begins a high degree of professionalism in the business operations. Let us now summarize. It goes without saying that all managerial functions are performed through decision making, and for taking a rational decision, timely and reliable information are essential and is procured through the logical and well structured method of information collection, processing and disseminating it to the decision maker. Such a method in the field of management is widely known as management information system. It plays a significant role in the organization. It creates the impact on the organization function, performance and productivity. People, data, business procedure, hardware and software are the components which are managed either manually or through the computerized system. In computerized management information system, manager typically analyzes the business problem and then design and maintain the computer applications to solve the organizational problems. That was all, students. Thank you.